Recording.
Hey, so if you watch my Martins Creek video, I told you about Brasstown Road. So Brasstown Road can tie in the old US 64 route if you're coming from like North Georgia, Tennessee. So Brasstown Road is kind of cool. It was better back in the day. They chip sealed it a few years ago, and it's okay on a sport bike. A Harley owner would probably think this road is just overwhelming because there's a turn here and there. But this is Brasstown Road on a Sunday morning. And here is the Martins Creek School on the right. And then right here at this corner, for those of you who enjoy eating a nice piece of beef, right here on our right and our left are fields. Oh, what's that? A little fox. Check this out. Hold on. How often do you get to see a fox? That joker's running 25 miles an hour. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so anyway, the fields here, what you see on the left and the right is a company called Brasstown Beef. Brasstown Beef. So if you're ever in your favorite restaurant and you're sitting down to eat, and you see Brasstown Beef, here's their gate, Brasstown Beef. You can buy beef from there. They've also got a packing plant over in Franklin. But Brasstown Beef provides beef to Guy Fieri's restaurants. So if you're reading one of his menus and you see at the top of the page that the beef is Brasstown Beef, well, hey, we're in Brasstown, North Carolina on Brasstown Road, and there's Brasstown Beef. So there you go. And then another solar farm, something North Carolina, Western North Carolina is very famous for, but you can't have enough solar panels in your life. We're full of Chinese crypto mines, so we might as well have Chinese solar panels everywhere in the mountains. But yeah, Brasstown Road is pretty cool. It's beautiful, scenic. The sun's about to pop up over that mountain. I'm sorry, the sun has popped up over the mountain. So hopefully it doesn't ruin the camera view, but we'll see. But again, if you like twisty roads, you are going to like Brasstown Road. Fair warning. The next exciting treasure we're going to come up on here in Brasstown, North Carolina, is the John C. Campbell Folk School. So that starts right here, and this is the blacksmithing area. Sometimes they have like a gardening, farming kind of stuff, folksy crap, and then there's like the farming. They do a little restaurant. They have like the folk music back in there. So this place is kind of interesting, but it's a school where you can just learn all kinds of old stuff, the old ways that they used to do stuff. They do have a little campground back in the woods over there. But all these little buildings are like classrooms, and you can come here and learn how to do stuff. And I'm pretty sure with all the hippy-dippy tree huggers that come to the folk school, there's a lot of pot smoking from what I understand, but hey, if that's your thing, whatever. So here's Old 64. So this is the official Brasstown, North Carolina, Brasstown Village. Got some little stores. If you ever heard of the possum drop, that was done right here at Clay Corners. They didn't really drop a possum, it was in a cage. They just lowered it down, but still PETA, you know, PETA went off and got that taken care of, so they can't do that anymore. And then if you want a completely woke restaurant, Democrat run, crappy, just trash restaurant, there's one right up there on top of the mountain. Personally, stay away. There's better restaurants. Go to Neighborhood Grill in Murphy, North Carolina if you want a good meal. You don't need any of this woke Kamala Harris crap in your life. So here's Brasstown. I'm going to turn on to Old 64 now, and you can watch that video next.